Pak! Oh! Ang ganda! Ganda! Kinikinisip! Philippines. Number 1, Countless Power of the Year. Million pa naman lagi ang ano. Parang gown. Galing. Basta siya. Katawa. Go! Gumawa ng ano, ng app. Katawa. Akala ko ano. Dapat tumambling ka din, Emma. Pa? Oo. Wow! Pasabog. Ganda. Ganda. Luto. Parang kirat ang Thailand, no? Kirat ka. Hindi man lang naka-question and answer.
As a journalist, my heart aches for my country drowned by corruption, for the lives of
Wait lang.
and for journalists like Mariam Abu Daga from Gaza, who died for truth. We are not born in fear, but to hope, to love, and to live in peace. Peace begins when parents teach children with compassion, leaders embody humility, youth find their purpose, and when we live with empathy and kindness, Hamponrak, Top, Rabab, Siamti, Granti, Susu, Santi Papka, let love be the grandest voice to peace.
Ganda ni Sydney.
Bakit over niya yan.
Miss Grand Philippines.
Masabo. Oh! Grabe!
Yaman sa Pedro.
Oh! Ganda ng dong.
Ganda ng gown, ganda ng beat.
Umaapoy. Grabe.
Sino design?
Bakit kinikinig niya?
Over niya yan.
Miss Grand Philippines.
Masabo. Oh!
Yaman sa Pedro.
Oh! Ganda ng dong.
Ganda ng gown, ganda ng beat.
Umaapoy. Grabe.
Sino design?
MGI 2025 is
Papatay yung TV. Papatay yung TV.
Grand Philippines.
As someone who reports this kind of stories, I really want to use the power of balance. Us people to be educated and aware, for us to not be scammed, and the help of the government to enhance their justice system, for the scammers to be behind bars, to be accountable. Because one day, I hope that we will live in a peaceful world where no one should deceive just to survive.
Parang bitin. Bitin. 30 seconds na kasi. 30 seconds na kasi.
Bitin.
Bitin?
Parang
So, sino na?
Parang may gusto pa siyang ipasok.
Wait lang. Hold on.
hold on.
Oh my God!
Shit! On this stage,
Huwag ka manood,
will be Miss Grand
Bato.
International 2025.
Oh my God!
Wag ba ingay, wag ba ingay?
Boys.
Back to back, please. Serve mo. Ay, sabi sigaw. Huwag lang lutuin.
Philippines.
Philippines ka maganda sagot niya.
Philippines. 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 Pinakabahan ako, shit.
Philippines sa Satsua.
Naiyak siya.
Tinan mo, watch yung Philippines.
Philippines ako dyan.
Ganga nga siya. Charot lang.
Putang ilo, alam mo na?
Tinan mo, ay! Philippines! Philippines sa back to back.
Wait lang, mawag kayo yun.
Back to back. 5-0-1 to ah.
Ay, babaan yan.
Back to back.
Ladies,
Philippines! Philippines sa back.
Miss Grand International 2025 is Miss Grand
Philippines.
Philippines.
Sir!